So in this video we will be right working in the home.dart, but first we will go and extract that here. That is a file, okay, and I will provide these assets right in the resources. You guys can easily download it from there, so don't worry for it, okay. Now we will simply drag and drop this folder of assets, okay. You simply drag and drop in here right in the dogs breed getx, okay. Refactor, as you guys can see, simply close this from here, okay, and you guys can see that asset in here, okay. There is two images and there is a model, okay, has been already trained, and there is a labels.txt, and this model has been trained, as you guys can see in here, for 120 names of a dog breeds, okay. So there's all the breeds of a dog, okay. So now we will write work in a home.dart. First we will create some variables right in here, okay. First one be bool type, as you guys can see is working, and we will equal that to false, okay. Semicolon. After this string type, okay, name this as a result. We will leave this empty, okay, and right after this in here camera controller, okay, there we go, and right after in here camera image, there we go, semicolon at the end. That's fine in here. Now we will create a init camera right in here, okay, and right in here we will equal the camera controller to the camera controller, right in here camera, okay, with S, there we go. Now we will start it from 0, and resolution preset, first one, there we go, dot medium, okay. Let's find in here, semicolon at the end. Now we will simply import the library for the cameras in here, there we go, main.dart. Right after this in here camera controller, okay, simply initialize, okay, there we go, dot, then now the value, as you guys can see, we will remove that null from here, okay, also remove that. Right after this in here first put a semicolon in here, there we go. Now in here we will set the if condition, if not mounted, okay, then we will simply return, okay, not equal to mounted, then simply return, as you guys can see. Now semicolon, there we go. Now after this there will be a set state, okay, there we go. Let's scroll it down first. Now in here there will be a camera controller, okay, there we go, and start image stream, as you guys can see that one. We will remove that null from here, okay, and now in here image from stream, just write in here that, okay. Now after this in here there will be a if condition, and not is working, then we will do something, okay, and there if is working, not working, then we will simply in here is working, set it to true. Okay, as you guys can see in here, comma, right after this image camera img that we created before, there we go, equal that to the image from stream. Okay, put comma in here, and right after this in here put a semicolon in here. Okay, and that's all for the init camera, as you guys can see. And that's it for this video, and right in the next video we will work further.